Good afternoon. It's Jeremy Osterberger with BIC Alliance and BIC Magazine. I'm here with David Lightbody of CP Chem. David, how you doing?
Doing well.
So we're at the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals Houston chapter, the Maintenance and Reliability Symposium in Galveston. It's the 12th annual event. And David, how many times have you come here?
This is my first time to attend Mars.
All right. What are you getting out of it?
Well, I'm here to try to stay apprised of the new things that are happening in reliability world. So things like machine learning. I just went to a presentation on eliminating defects before you even get to where you can sense them. So very good stuff.
Oh wow! So you feel like you can take some of that knowledge back?
Absolutely.
Back to the office and communicate that to the team?
Yes.
Good. So talk a little bit more about that, like shared learning and, CP Chem sends people to various conferences. So is that habits from you guys as far as getting the information? How do you knowledge share what you gain from a conference like this?
Well, my role right now within Chevron Phillips, I'm the rotating equipment reliability team lead at Cedar Bayou. Okay. So I'll be going back and sharing with my team. We're heavily embedded in reliability. That's what we do on a day-to-day. So I'm going to share learnings with them. You mentioned we go to conferences. It's very much in our culture that we value training and learning, so we try to support our people with that as well.
Cool. So maybe next year bring a few other guys with you.
Oh, we have a couple other guys here, actually.
Awesome. Fantastic.
One who's not in my department, but we've got another guy from Cedar Bayou over here as well.
Well, we appreciate you being a part of all this.
All right.
Great to
Thank
see
you,
you, Dave, as always. Okay, buddy.